Dozens of low-income families in West Sacramento face possible eviction from their homes in the middle of a public health crisis.
The management has been turned over so many times. I think the right hand doesn't know what the left hand's doing. And now we've got to a crisis.
The families facing eviction live in a mobile home park at Westwind Estates off of Sacramento Avenue. The state says that the residents are violating safety and health codes, but neighbors disagree. KCRA3 Stephanie Lynn hears from neighbors tonight as they wonder what's next.
Things could have been handled way differently and in a way that didn't cause so much stress.
Student BERENIS LEONARD speaking to what dozens of her fellow neighbors are fearing tonight. She, along with 60 others living at this mobile home park, face eviction during a pandemic this holiday season.
There's just a lot of miscommunication and lack of management. The management was terrible.
Starting in March, neighbors at Westwind Estates got several notices from the State Department of Housing and Community Development, or HCD, the inspector asking residents to fix various safety and health violations on their properties.
It got fireproofed on the inside.
Leonard had to move her shed by 6 feet, but when she tried to reach the state with questions,
I remember calling a few times and never getting an answer.
We asked her to call the number on the notice again.
The mailbox is full and cannot accept any messages at this time. Goodbye.
You get hung up. Well, yeah, that's a great feeling when you're trying to find answers.
Many living here are low income, disabled, or elderly. Leonard telling us her next door neighbor is blind and didn't even know about his violations.
It's been very disturbing.
Then there's 91-year-old RHODA Davison. The state now asking her to hardwire her wheelchair lift, an expense she simply can't afford.
The management has been turned over so many times. I think the right hand doesn't know what the left hand's doing.
We reached out to LEONARD, the property management company, a spokesperson saying they want to revoke all eviction notices, but homeowners must work with HCD to clear any outstanding violations. In a prepared statement, LEONARD distancing itself from the actions of state investigators, the company saying it was not made aware of the violations from HCD until July. The statement goes on to say in October, the state asked LEONARD to fix all remaining violations at the property or lose its operating permit. Because people here own their homes, the only way to make the corrections, LEONARD says, is to evict them from the park. All steps taken, a spokesperson tells KCRA3, to help the property buy more time with HCD. We reached out to HCD for comment. They have not responded.
It's a very sad situation, that's all. And it's just like pulling the rug out from underneath you.
Meanwhile, neighbors left in limbo with no clear indication on how they can continue their lives here. And both residents in this story tell us that they could be homeless by January of next year. Reporting from West Sacramento, Stephanie Lynn, KCRA 3 News.
And again, we did reach out to the state and we're still waiting for a response. The property management company said under state health and safety codes, mobile home parks are to be inspected every 7 years or so by Housing and Community Development. LEONARD said that they have no control over when their property is inspected by the state.